Hello everybody, it's LIGNA again. As the UMABWA president, I would like to share my message with all LIGNA 2023 stakeholders. Long break caused by the recent emergency has strongly highlighted the importance of enhancing flexibility and resilience of the industrial ecosystem. But at the same time, it has confirmed once again that manufacturing is and will remain the backbone of the economy. To catch the pace with the latest trends, woodworking industry has made significant investment to integrate new technologies and develop, upgrade, and smarter products. Digital is fine, and it's our ordinary duty, but in our vision, it must be followed by the people component as a distinctive element of the far-sighted business strategy that will be able to generate solutions scalable beyond the borders. Successful companies have always tried to keep one step ahead and anticipate the upcoming challenges. At UMABWA, we aim to aggregate their voices within unified standards. At the same time, we need to take stock of sustainability, which has become the new state of the art and a new engine for value chain optimization and redesign. From a social perspective, it implies constant evolvement of consumer habits and behaviors of time to which we have to adapt. By joining skills and thinking creatively, we can really make the difference. LIGNA is the right place to do that, and UMABWA will always stand for it. 2023 Live Edition has a strong potential to become a front-runner of change. LIGNA looks forward to welcoming you in Hanover. See you there starting from May 15.